I think I did a very good job doing it. I mean, it is my first time. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Um, my name is Jeannette Lynn. Hi. Um, I want to do a simple how we look, but I want to add a little bit more than what this looks like. It's one of those filters on Facebook Story, and usually, they have like different types of filters, but this one in particular looks like a cheetah cat, which it looks like this. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there you go. I know y'all can't really see because of the lighting. There you go. Yeah. But anyways, I am gonna try to do that. It with the cheetah print is gonna be very, very challenging for me, I will say. So I'm gonna try to do a voiceover while doing this, so that way I can really like concentrate on this eye look. So yeah, here we go. First, I'm gonna be putting Tarte Shape Tape and Light on my eyes first. Okay, first I'm going to be doing my eyebrows just to get them out of the way so I don't have to worry about doing them. And in case y'all wondering, this is the Rimmel London Born Brow This Way. I'm about to say Born This Way. I'm just going to, try and like, define my brows and fill it in as usual. Okay, the next, first I'm going to go with Silk Cream. And then I'm going to go with, after that, is MFEO. These two colors would be my transition shade. Oh, and let me know what y'all think of this new, what you call, like, kind of like setup in a way. I mean, I'm just using the iMac photo booth um, so I can record instead of using what I did in my last video. If you have not seen that, I'll put an iCard in the right hand corner so you can go watch that, and I'll also put it in the description box below in case you want to go watch it after this. So, yep. And I'm just trying to, like, blend, blend, blend that transition shade, and then we'll go to the next color. Okay, so the next shade I am going with now is Creamsicle. And I'm trying to put that below where I put the transition shade. And I'm going to keep on building this color up because it's so light. And then after that, I'll go to, this is from the Jaclyn palette, in case you're wondering. But yeah, but you'll see how gradually, I keep on blending, and then I try to add more color and so on. Okay, the next color I'm going with from the Vault collection from the Armin Gorgeous palette is Access. And after Access, I go to, oh geez, I think it's Secure. I think it's Secure or Alert. I think, yeah, it's Alert. My bad. I'm trying to remember the shades from the palette. So that I'll be adding like in the outer crease and inner crease to give it more like definition. This is where I'm adding alert on the outer and then inner corner. Okay, I know this is not very good lighting, but this is the only thing I have to do for now until next year. So I thank y'all so much for bearing with me. You know, while I'm going through this process journey in a way. Um, but yeah. Now I'm also adding it like in the crease area, so that way it's kind of like connecting from the outer and then inner corner. Almost like doing, because I'm gonna kind of like be doing like a halo in a way, but you'll see what I get to do instead of just, you know, what everybody usually does. So just watch and learn. Okay, now I'm just, you know, using this, I guess, crease brush. And I'm just sweeping back and forth to make sure everything is kind of like blended. Okay, so now I'm going to take this NYX white pearl. It's like a white base, but it has a white pearl, like for like glitters and everything. So I'm just going to place that in the center of my eyelid. And then after I will go with the shimmer shade. Okay, and I'm still going using the Armin Gorgeous palette, and I'm going with gold coin. I think it's coin or gold coin. I don't know. Just placing that in the center, and I'm gonna have to like really, really like get close up so y'all can see what I'm doing. And it takes a while because I haven't used this shimmer shade coin. So after that, I end up adding Guilt Trip next to it, and I add that like in the center. Okay, so I already put on eyeliner, and now I'm going to take this e.l.f. cream eyeliner, and I'm going to take my angle brush here. Okay, come on. Come on, Jeannette. I'm going to take some of that, and I'm going to place this in like inner corner, like, you know, like a cat eye. And then I go to my other e.l.f. Um, Extreme Ink Black Intense Eyeliner, which y'all see here in a second. Okay, now I'm going to take some of that Alert and Access on the bottom eyelid so I can connect it from the outer. Now what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try to extend that cat eye just a little bit, or bring it down, like going the other corner, and also dragging it down a little bit so it looks like a cat eye. I'm just going back just to bring that excess color back, so because I'm losing some pigmentation there. You always want to like go back just to make sure that you didn't lose like the color you did. Here comes the fun part. I just started and I thought I was recording. This is how far I got, so let's just watch how I do this because I think it's just interesting. I'm trying to like look at the picture and trying to doodle on my eyes. This I was trying to use my Glam 24 karat gold eyeliner by NYX, and came to find out when I was trying to apply it, it dried up on me. So then I started using something else. Glitter. I'm gonna go with my gold glitter face and body glitter by NYX, and I'm just gonna go over the spots and use my glitter primer by NYX and just, you know, apply glitter in spots where I wanted to add gold at. I'm using that same gold or coin on the bottom, and I noticed it wasn't showing up, so I did the same thing I did on my top eyelid. Went with that white pearl uh, base shimmer and just applied that on my lower line. Definitely getting glitter on me. Go ahead and apply VIP from the Army Gorgeous palette in brow bone to an inner corner. So I'm going to go with my Maybelline Stay Ink Matte Ink in Driver. I'm going to apply this on my lips. I'm going to add NYX and Butter Gloss and Creme Brulee and apply this only like in the center of my lips. Next I'm going to be adding is this NYX Pump It Up Lip Plumper in Angelina. I think I did a very good job doing it. I mean, it is my first time. What do y'all think? I mean, we'll have to get up close. I know the glitter is going to be kind of hard to tell because I try to use the gold glam liner in Aqualux waterproof, and it's in gold. Lamb 24 karat. That's what it's called. And it got dried up on me, so just to look. I wish I had the ears, which would make it cuter with this look. I mean, I guess I'll just wear this for today. And, but yeah, this is, I guess what you call a cheetah look. You know, from Facebook story, like all the other like filters, and I got hair going everywhere. And my hair is like driving me crazy. It's like it was so dry. You know, we're not here to talk about my hair, but you could tell it's dry, it's lifeless, like You see that? Anyways, I don't want to make this about my hair though, but you know, I just said that. But yeah, this is the look, and I used the highlight from the BH palette, which is, you know, I used, what was it? Yeah, I used this one right here, and this one's kind of like a gold. You know, you can use it on your eyes or use it as a highlight. And I used this right here has a bronzer, and I use, I think this one or this one as my blush. You know, kind of make it look like nice and everything. Not too much and everything. But yeah, this is the look, and I hope y'all like it. And yeah, I kind of, you know, it was kind of like my first time like doodling on my eyes, around my eyes, trying to make it almost the same as the picture, but it was very, very challenging. I mean, you can see here. I mean, this is like the only lighting I'm gonna get for right now. And yeah, I mean, I like how it turned out. So, trying to look cute. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I hope y'all like this. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my beauty channel. And I also have a vlog channel if y'all want to go check that out and, you know, see what I do daily and get to know me in a way. But either way, you can get to know me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go, and later I get to go help my son pick out a costume because tomorrow's Halloween. So, all right, well, happy Halloween, everybody, and be safe. And make sure you check the candies. Make sure there ain't no, you know, anything suspicious in the candy. But yeah. All right. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Hopefully, you know, I'll be able to do like more looks like these like next year. Yeah. Alrighty.